Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E400 Cabriolet. That's the 3-liter twin-turbo V6, the 7-speed automatic, and is painted black on black leather. All right, we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. So we got our trunk lid open, and we got the convertible top right underneath there, and then we have our trunk space available here. We do have the cargo nets on the side. I'll just lift this up here so we can see. We got the spare tire there, and we'll go ahead and close up the trunk. I'll zoom out. You can see the interior, so the black interior. It's got the nice hard tonneau cover, so you don't see that soft top. The adjustable headrest, power, as well as that windscreen. We'll come back here. We got the antenna on the grille, the E400 badge, LED tail lights. Down below we have the stainless trim piece with the dual exhaust, and the Mercedes badge right in the center. All right, we'll make our way to the wheels next. So we got these 5 open spoke AMG style wheels. It's an 18-inch aluminum rim with the gray pockets. It has Michelin tires. The rear tire size is a 255/35 R18. We got the 4-wheel disc brakes as well. Let's check out the front wheel. And you can see the brakes are larger in the front with the cross-drilled rotors. The calipers do say Mercedes-Benz on them, and we have a 235/40 R18 in the front, so we got a staggered pattern. Let's check out the interior next. So we got this beautiful black door panel. We have the Harmon Kardon sound system. We have memory package for your passenger. Here's all your power seat function, as well as the power adjustable headrest, power locks. Here's your door release. Check out that beautiful dark wood trim. And then we have the windows. Here's our dash on this side. Got that touch screen in the center. We'll open up the glove box. And we got books in there. And again, more of the wood trim there. Here's our door jambs, nice and tidy. Your Mercedes-Benz kick plate, done in a nice stainless finish. We'll fold this back, and it is power, so it moves, adjusts on its own. Here's our rear seat. Look how nice and tall back buckets. Again, power, headrest, as well as that windscreen. And then you pop this down in the center here. We have an armrest. We even have the speaker grill there, and then we have the 2 cup holders that are have the nice hidden compartments there. We got the power windows, and we got more wood trim. Center console with the HVAC. Put this back and the seat goes back itself. We got the carpeted mats, premium carpet, and check out these beautiful seats, bucket seats, all power. And we also have all the lumbar controls on the sides. And we'll scan the seat here. It also has the AIRSCARF system. And we also have the power adjustable seat belts. So when you shut the door, go to buckle up, the seat belt comes right to you. All right, we'll show you the profile back here. We'll walk down the car. We got the nice stainless trim piece around the top. We got the body color mirrors, signals built in, 360 camera as well. We got the stainless door handles. Here's our wheels from this angle. We'll come down the car. And we'll stop at about there. And I'll try to get a good angle, give it a wave. You can see the paint is like a mirror finish. Nice black paint. We have the LED intelligent light system. So the bright LEDs headlights. We got the nice stainless trim down below. Mercedes badge right in the center of the grille. Here's our hood liner, and here's the power plant. Again, it's a 3-liter twin turbo V6. It's paired with the 7-speed automatic transmission. All right, we'll close this up. And we'll check out the paint here. So this is how it came in. We haven't polished it yet. So our team's gonna do a 5-stage polish on this car, just as we do to all cars. You can see we have a great starting point here. We're gonna take it to the next level once they're done, and it's gonna look just like new. All right, back to our door panels. We got blind spot monitor in the mirror. Again, power memory package for your driver. There's power seats, locks, mirrors, windows, and we also have the power folding mirrors. Your trunk release, and I'll show you the dash on this side. Here's our door jambs, your stainless steel kick plate. We'll fold this back here and we'll show you the rear seats. Looking great. And we'll put this back. We even got the carpeted mats at the rear. Here's our pedals. Got those nice aluminum pedals. And we'll scan that seat. Just like that. And again, the AIRSCARF system, as well as all your lumbar controls on the side. All right, we'll jump in. Got the door closed up. Got this nice silver finish for the vents, and with more wood trim. Here's our headlight controls, your parking brake. On the steering column, we have a power tilt and telescopic wheel. Here's your cruise control, your windshield wipers, as well as your signals. We have these really shallow paddle shifters so they don't get in your way, but they are there. And then we also have your arrow keys. Here's all your audio. You've got Bluetooth and your transmission controller. All right, we'll start it up. It's a push button start. All right, we'll zoom out. We'll show you the wheel. Oh, didn't hold it long enough. There we go. We have the black leather wheel. It feels nice. We got the nice perforated leather on the side, these beautiful contours, 3-spoke design with the Mercedes badge in the center of the horn. Let's come into the gauge cluster. We have analog gauges, the digital portion in the center of that center one. Mileage only 57,240 kilometers. Okay, up here we got the map lights. Here's your mirror. And then down below we got our touchscreen. So it does have factory nav, which is nice. If your radio controls, it has a disc changer as well. Your telephone features. And then down here with the vents again with a nice Mercedes clock right in the center, nice and classy. And we also have your CD player here. Here's our nice buttons here. So we have heated and ventilated seats, your AIRSCARF. And then down below, your dual zone climate control. 2 cup holders, and get that beautiful wood finish here. We got an ashtray with a 12 volt or a cigarette lighter. And then we have the buttons here for your touchscreen up top there. And then we'll pop this open, a little secret compartment. Here's where your convertible top is for a power convertible top. And we'll open up this, forget how to open this now. Open this up here. There's a button on the side. There we go. It splits into 2. We have more storage with my hand in there and media ports. All right, we'll go ahead and put the top up. So I'm just holding this. Oh, wait, there we go. Here it comes, the power convertible tunnel cover comes up. Here comes the top. It's all lined underneath. It's got a full glass window with a defogger. It's all power. The windows will go up as well. And on the dash here, it tells me once it's complete. It's still in operation there. And there we are, it's up. Get the windows up. So the rear windows first. Nice big back windows as well. It's nice and spacious. All right, we got the windows up. I'll get the headlights on next, and I'll give it a few revs. All right, hear those turbos kick in there. 329 horsepower. We'll close up the door, make our way to the front. Look at those bright LED lights. Even with the roof on, you see it looks fantastic. LED tail lights, and you can hear the exhaust at idle. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E400 Cabriolet with the 3-liter twin-turbo V6, the 7-speed automatic, painted black on black. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.